too foolish. Like, subscribe and share. Comment right here. I'm not like dog or YouTube lit.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Sishar, and if you didn't know, now you know. Guys, this teacher is officially on holiday. So guys, them give me 1 week holiday, so come with me to see what we get up to in this 1 week. It starts today. I got all dressed up, not really dressed up, casual clothes, but I did my makeup and we're about to go outside. Today is Tuesday. It's about 10 a.m. Heading to see the Spider-Man movie, hopefully. If not, we're going to do a little bit of shopping, probably, or eye shopping or something. We're heading out the house and then we're gonna have some food and maybe go to a bar later or something. But I've decided I'm not staying in the house anymore. It's too depressing. Like when I was in Jamaica, I was at certified homebody, everybody know. But in Japan, because I know that I don't have like a community yet, I don't have my people yet, I don't have a lot of friends yet, everybody that I know is so far apart. I don't know, it's making me very lonely, very homesick. But we've decided, first thing I did was a little bit of decorating, because I keep saying, oh, I'm not gonna be here that long, so I don't want to get too much stuff, I don't want to decorate. And I realized that that was taking a toll on me. I need to make this space my own, and so I've been doing that. But today we're heading outside. I haven't really been anywhere yet, so we're heading on a solo date. Hopefully we can find a cute cafe, if not the movies, something. We're doing something today, so I'm heading on the road. I'm all dressed up, I'm all ready. I just have on this t-shirt with some jeans, and I'm going to wear my slippers. I need to find my earrings and put them back in. Yeah, but this is the look. So I'll catch you guys when I'm walking to the bus stop 15 minutes away, or the train station 19 minutes away, one or the other. But I'll catch you guys. All right guys, hot outside. Today is such a beautiful day and I'm grateful to be alive today. Love it. Although it's a little bit cloudy because we have typhoon watch, not in my prefecture but nearby prefectures. There's going to be a typhoon, I think later tonight or tomorrow, so it's a bit cloudy, but it's still very hot. We have good sunshine. Alright guys, I don't know if you guys can see me, but we are out the house and sun hot. Like, I always hear people that say sun hot in Japan hotter than Jamaica, but I have to see it for myself. I believe sun hot is hot from morning till about 7 o'clock. Sun hot abonium hot. Anyways, I will see you guys. I just finished watching the Spider-Man movie. That was a 10 out of 10. Too good. Loved it so much. If y'all haven't watched, you should go watch. Yeah, love it. Had so much fun. So apparently I stopped in a Chinese restaurant. I wanted karaage because it's the only thing that I've been eating since I got here, so I ordered that. I also stopped at Daiso for a few things, not that. And now we're waiting on the food to come out. Hopefully it's good. I've never tried here. I've ate next door but not here, so hopefully it's good. The people beside me are staring at me. They're Japanese, so you don't have to be quiet, but a solo date for the lady.
Hey. Yeah, I know. I've been meaning to call, but there's just something I gotta tell you that.
Hate the way I love you, but you're so sweet.
Guys, I washed my hair today, and so that's why I'm kind of come outside because I'm not outside at, so it can drain out. You know, all the water is gone, but it still feels a little bit wet. So hopefully by the time that I go back home, guys, one thing, we must go to one bar tonight. We must fix up my face and my ear and put on something nice and go one bar, one or two, because I'm kind of tired of eating out. I've been having such a good time today. All I needed to do was come out the house.
唐揚げ定食でございます。生姜焼きでございます。
Okay. The food just came and it looks yummy. Finished eating. It was okay. It scratched the itch because I just been wanting karaage, but I was on the mall walking around, wasn't ready to go home, and I found the cutest little massage parlor. Guys, you know, I've been sleeping on the ground for 2 weeks, on a futon for 2 weeks, so my back, RIP to my back, so I had to stop, and it's only $2,000. So I decided to get a massage for 20 minutes to relax. The place is called Relaxation Space and it feels relaxing, okay? Yeah, treat yourself, guys. Alright guys, so trying to find good lighting. After yesterday when I did my massage, I did not come back. I know, I'm sorry. So after yesterday was very hectic. So yesterday was a self-love solo date and I really enjoyed myself. So after the massage, I actually hopped on a bus and went to Nitori to get some stuff for my apartment, specifically for the bed. And I did not get home until 9 p.m. I kid you not, I was so tired. I was so overwhelmed, and so I went straight to bed. But today I am heading 2 cities over to meet up with Jet ALT, who invited me to go sunflower picking or something like that and lunch. So she's waiting for me at that station. The bus that I was supposed to take, I did not get that bus, so now I'm waiting for the train. It says it's coming in about 12 minutes, So I've been sitting here waiting for an hour just because I missed that bus, and I opted to take the train instead because she's at the station, so we can just walk over together. It's a 20-something minute walk. Anyways, guys, when I came here, I've been walking so much. I've been walking so much. So I'll catch you guys when I have something to tell you, I guess.
Oh. Oh my god.
How cute are the sunflowers? They're all turning that way though. So I think we have to see them, we have to do this. So pretty. Hi guys, good morning. It's morning time. Today is what, Friday? The last time you guys saw me was Wednesday, so when I was setting up the bed. So I finished setting up the bed. I'm laying on it. I love it. That was so tedious. That might have been the most stressful thing that I've done since I've been here, because it was so stressful. But I finally got it done, and then I had to make dinner, and it was a whole shebang. I didn't go to bed till very late. That's the latest I've gone to bed since I've been here, and I lost a nail. Yeah, I lost a nail. So yeah, you already have an idea of what kind of day it was. Yesterday I had to go sort out some important documents that I need for living here. Yeah, that was also very tedious because I did not have anybody that spoke Japanese, and they didn't speak any English, and they kept asking me, do you have somebody who speaks Japanese that we can talk to? And I did not. Maybe if school wasn't on break and everybody wasn't on their summer break, then yes, I could ask one of my supervisors or my Japanese teachers of English or something, but I didn't want to bother anyone on their holiday, and so your girl are really the strongest soldier because I got it sorted out finally, and I hope everything goes well with that, because I do not want to go through that again. Yeah, so after that I went to the firework festival. I'll insert some clips like on the screen because I did not remember to vlog. I had such a good time with people here. Met up with the other English teachers in my area. We went to the firework festival. I had some food that I tried, octopus balls, that was so good, and had some drink. I tried Indian food. It was so good. It was such a good night, and then I literally just came home, and that was it for the night. So today on the agenda, I found a discount supermarket. I want to go there to see what meat options they have, because the supermarket that I've been going to, the only meat they have is chicken, salmon, shrimp, and the chicken they have is just like chicken breast that's boneless, chicken grizzle, gizzard, chicken liver. I haven't bought those, but I've bought so they sell drums and flats separate, chicken drums and chicken flats of the wing. So I've been eating that and chicken breast since I've been here. I haven't seen any whole chicken. I haven't seen any other part of the chicken. I haven't seen a whole chicken wing. None of that. So I have had to be buying 3 parcels of chicken just to get some bones, because if I'm cooking curry chicken, I cannot cook just the breast. I'm sorry. I have to have bones in it because I like bones. So I want to check out what they have. I also found an Asian mart with Jamaican flags, and they have on Google that they have goat meat. I've been wanting to go there, but I have not been able to reach because, as you guys know, the transportation is rough for me right here because the nearest bus stop is 15 minutes away. So it's very tedious to get to places. I have to walk very far just to catch the bus. So I'm not sure if I'm going to make it there today, but I also want to go to the post office to see if I can get a debit card. They gave me a QR code to scan and fill out a form, but it's not working for me. I don't know if it's because I'm a foreigner, but I want to go to the post office. So the post office is the bank, guys. So yeah, in Japan, the post office and the bank is the same entity. So it's called Japan Post, and they have a bank with ATMs and stuff, and they have the post office there as well. So I'm going by there to see if I can get a debit card and online banking or something. I have an alternative. I have my Wise card, but that is going to be used to send money back home, my Wise account. But I want to see if I can get the debit card. A lot of other ALTs have gotten the debit card. They told me I could get it, but I had to sign up online. I tried and it didn't work. So I want to go back there just to see if it can happen, and then I'm going to go to the supermarket. Also trying to find long grain rice. I'm tired of this short grain sushi foolishness rice. That's what I've been eating. I mean, it's okay, but I want regular rice. Like, you know, you just want something regular. Yeah, I want regular rice. I'm a bit tired of the rice there. And rice is so expensive here. I think I paid 2,000 something for just 2 pounds of that rice. So rice is very expensive in Japan, so I kind of cutting down on the rice. I eating mostly sweet potatoes, Irish potatoes, and I eat pumpkin sometimes as well. Yeah, that's what I've been eating because rice too expensive and it's not good for you. So yeah, anyways, if anything happens, I'll catch up to you guys. I'm sorry this vlog is all over the place and not, so you know, I'm still settling in, so you guys have to give me a little bit of grace. I'm still settling in, still I fix up the place, I'm still walk around and get used to the area. I'm still trying to find my community and my footing and stuff, so you guys have to give me a little grace. But anyway, this is the morning face. I hope you guys don't mind it. Actually, I think I'm gonna lay around for a couple more hours. It's now 11:17, probably like for another hour. I need to catch the bus a little bit after 12. Oh shit, I don't have the time to lounge around. I need to actually get ready. Okay, yeah, I'm gonna get ready and then I'm gonna head on the road, okay?
outside in an AMG, right outside, TT. Two-turn baby girl, you know me. Still with the dogs that I grew beside. All the niggas round me, pride of the guy. Gotta watch the time, cause it's flying right by. I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, TT. Two-turn baby girl, you know me. Who am I? All the niggas round me, pride of the guy. Gotta watch the time, cause it's flying right by. Two-turn baby girl, you know me. I just caught a shorty off a Finsta. Just threw on a hoodie, it's a Crenshaw. Way that I've been living unconventional. I'm just trying to make it to the end, you know. Certain things have started getting tenser. Think we need to have a sun adventure. I could be a man, but maybe down the road. Right now I would rather see my heart turn to chrome. Rather see my heart turn crystal. I can't even front like I don't miss ya. Right now I'm just up inside the crib on my own. Soon as I free up, I'm about to pop up on your phone. Like I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, TT. Two-turn baby girl, you know me. Yeah. Who am